Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Research suggests that curcumin may help protect the liver against damage caused by toxins, inflammation, and oxidative stress. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have been associated with potential liver protective effects. Garlic may support liver function by activating liver enzymes that help eliminate toxins from the body. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which have been linked to potential liver protective effects. Studies suggest that green tea consumption may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. Ingredients: green tea, turmeric, the garlic. Drink 1 glass before bed.